Hi, Dave Likes here. Okay, some things to look out for. Beware of bright sky coming in through the window behind the subject. Reflections off cars outside coming in. Shiny wood paneling and shiny objects that reflect. This is an example of what not to do. On this bounce flash shot, I used AV mode to bring up the lights on the Christmas tree by bringing up the room light. At the same time, it brought the light up on the outside into the room, and as you can see here over the right window, that it also caused some flare. The other problem I ran into is that even though I bounced the flash, you can still see it in the TV screen along with several other reflections. And lastly, I shot square to the wall behind them, and you have to get the camera just right so that all the lines square up, which I didn't do here, and that also creates a problem. Because the Christmas tree dictated the angle that I had to shoot this shot at, the only thing that saved me was Photoshop. If possible, regardless if it's sunny or not, keep the windows behind the camera and shoot at an angle to any reflective surface. And lastly, shoot into the corner of the room so you no longer have to keep your line straight. And here's an example. Because the lines are now converging, you don't expect to see them square with the camera. This is a much better example of shooting into the corner of the room. I use my no-brainer flash technique where I bounce the flash, and since all the reflective surfaces were at an angle to the camera, it came out much better with no reflections. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it for this lesson, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.